As the inventor of the Triopan folding sign, we have over 60 years' experience in producing high-quality temporary traffic safety products for the police, fire service, local authorities and industry. Triopan folding signs meet country-specific print requirements throughout Europe and can be produced from a selection of over 15,000 symbols. Do you want a custom solution? Our Triopan folding signs can be customized with regard to size, quality and print type. Triopan folding signs are a classic print product. We offer 4 different types of production: single series, small series, medium or large series. Unique products are made to order and are ready to deliver within 2 weeks. Price discounts for printing in bulk can be applied to production from small series. Even small series are ready for delivery within 2 weeks. For Triopan folding signs in medium and large series, there is a limited number of prints in various sizes and qualities for a high annual volume. The pricing for Triopan folding signs in both production lines is based on the annual volume. Prices are therefore different for medium and large series. A country-specific catalogue of symbols shows which symbols belong to the medium and large series. The price per order doesn't depend on the volume. Medium series Triopan folding signs are ready for delivery in a week. Large series Triopan folding signs are ready for delivery in just 48 hours. We are committed to providing added value. An interesting logistics solution completes our service. Whether in Switzerland or elsewhere, our service is international. Is road traffic safety a key concern for you? Then do it like the professionals. Use Triopan folding signs.